Welcome to South Burlington Mazda. Today I want to tell you about amazing 2019 Volkswagen Atlas. That's a 3-row all-wheel drive SUV with a silver exterior and Titan black interior. It has 8-speed automatic transmission with a Tiptronic and only 28,000 miles. That particular model has simulated leather upholstery, push-button start, a power driver's seat, heated front seats, rear sunshades, 3-zone automatic climate control, and the option of captain's chair in the second row. Overall, the Atlas technology has proven to be a solid suit, starting in a dashboard with standard app-connected infotainment. Its large, 8-inch screen sits pretty and it's very responsive to the touch with a simple, easy-to-learn interface. Atlas is well suited to long-distance trips. Ample climate system capacity and vents for all rows will keep passengers from fighting over their controls. More information about that vehicle you can find at southburlingtonmazda.com, where you can take advantage of our exclusive Big Deal Plus plan, which includes 2 years of unlimited scheduled maintenance at no extra charge.